Hey everybody, it's your boy Jimbo. Welcome back to another video. Before I get this one started, I just want to apologize for not getting the leaf blower video out like I said I would, or more of not being able to. I went in to fix the starter rope that was a little too short, and I guess the grease that I put in there, I put a little too much the last time. And in the process, it pulled up the plate that was basically covering the spring and caused the spring to both unwind and break. So now I have to get another spring, hopefully sometime in the near future. But not right now. So unfortunately for now and until that happens, the Troy-Bilt is down, but technically not out. So to hopefully make up for it, I wanted to unbox something that I got this past week. It got here today, Friday, August 1st, and I ordered it this past Friday. So give or take, took about a week to get here. And I'm sure you guys have seen this brand before. It's a brand that's been making a lot of rounds by making a lot of different products in today's world. So let me go ahead and set the camera up, and let's unbox what we got here. Here we go. Dear, oh me, oh I wonder what it could be. So the first things out of the box are, of course, the bar sheath. And, of course, the bar, which is, as you can see, approximately 20 inches. Standard size for China saws. Got your instruction manuals. Or operation manual, I should say. Out next is your toolkit. Alright. And now, for the other stuff that's down in there. Obviously, you got your fuel mixing jug. I like to use those for chain oil storage. A funnel with a big bunch of styrofoam Scheisse on it. And in here, the main attraction, the saw. I'm going to cut the camera real quick and I'll show you this thing out of the box and out of the wrapping plastic. And here it is, guys. Out of the box, out of the plastic. Thing looks pretty nice for what it is. This right here looks to be fairly sturdy. Doesn't have as much wobble around as the other saws that I've had in the past, including that Huyosin. Seems to have pretty much your standard features that one of these China saws has. You got likely an easy start, fuel tank, chain oil tank over here, throttle, operator presence lever, and choke. And of course over here, or should I say over there, is your chain tensioner. But if there's one thing that I want to look at with this bad boy, it's what's under here, the air filter. I'm really hoping that Vevor didn't stick with the typical filter that these come with. So I'm going to put the camera on the tripod and we're going to open this up together. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to use one of the, oh dang. So in the toolkit it has literally 2 sets of these earplugs, which is neat. Obviously your chain, and also in here is your felling dog, but that's not what I'm looking for. Alright, there we go. That'll work. This is the scratch that it came with. And this cover here is held on by 2, wow, metal. Held on by 2 metal snap straps. Alright! Hell yeah! Now that is a welcome sight to see. That is a very, very, very welcome sight to see. So far, I would say the first initial impressions of this 58cc Vevor are really, really good. I do have a bit of concern about if something were to happen to the actual starter cover itself, and whether or not I'd be able to get a replacement from Vevor or literally anywhere else. But where there's a will, there's a way. I'll get a hold of it if something like that does happen. So, the good first impressions and all, the big question now comes in. Does this bad boy start and run? Because I'm not going to put the bar and chain on if it doesn't. Let's go out in the saw room, put some gas in it, and see what happens. Okay guys, here we go. First start of the brand new Vevor 58cc. Pull start, choke. Yep, that's an easy start. Ooh. Sounds pretty good, guys. I'd say that runs pretty damn nice. Now let's take her back inside and put the bar and chain on. Sorry for the sudden pause in the montage. I forgot to put the felling spike on first. So... Alright, now we can put the bar and chain on. And there we go, guys. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All put together and looks pretty damn fine as well. So yeah, guys, I'd say that's pretty much it for this one. Saw looks pretty nice, started up pretty easily, went together pretty easily. Yeah, I'm sure this bad boy will be a nice addition to the fleet. I do feel like I need to give you guys a little heads up on those carb screws. They're not your typical carburetor screws. Those are the kind of screws they put in for EPA reasons. So just something to be aware of when you buy one of these. I think those are Pac-Man screws, but I'd have to go through my kit and see which one. So yeah, just little something to be aware of, but that doesn't change the fact that it looks cool and so far works good. So yeah, just need to find some wood to put this thing in. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Sorry about the leaf blower video not happening until later on. But yeah, hopefully this video makes up for it. Have yourselves a good one and have a great weekend. Take care.